Welcome to Cars in Korea. I am DK Kim, your source for latest Genesis, Hyundai, and Kia cars straight from Korea. And the car I have next to me is 2027 Kia PV5 Wave WAV model. I got the tape measurements and the laser even, so I can give you some precise numbers here today, which is really important when it comes to the Wave model because people have different size wheelchairs. You have many different things to accommodate inside the passenger seat. So let me give you that rock solid measurements. Let's go. If you're looking for the walk around video, interior, exterior review of this car, PV5 WAV and open bed, I have it all on the channel already, so please refer to that. I'm not really going to go over why the charging port is located on the front, the specs, AER, driving distance, battery efficiency, performance, NVH, RNH, ride and handling. The list just goes on and on and on. Because I think this is already like a 7th PV5 video that I'm coming up with, but I know I did not come up with a measurement video with the WAV model. First things first, that's what it looks like on the outside. It's exactly the same as the regular PV5, if you will, the ones that we've been seeing thus far. It looks exactly the same with PV5 passenger model on the outside. And that guy over there is the open bed. On this side right here, with the automated door. It's got to be powered sliding door. I mean, this is for an option, additional cost, but I would highly encourage that you include it. I already have test driven this car, so let me just quickly give you the measurements. Uncover it. The space you get from the ground up. Okay, so this is precisely 40 centimeters. That's the reading I got. 40 right there, and you can see on top is in inches. It's actually made of 2 levels stuck at that level, and let me give you, I am measuring it from the tip of the car. It is 50 centimeters. I'm just gonna call it out. I'll give you the conversions on the screen. Just don't have the time for that. So you can have different 2 levels if this is not enough. If you actually have parked right next to the curb, therefore you have about what, this much height, therefore you don't need to slide no more. But if you don't, like where we are right now, you actually need to have 1 more level. That way it's safer, it's easier for you to go back and forth. Trust me, I actually sat in the wheelchair, and if it's not in 2 levels, you're not gonna get pushed up. 69 with 2 different levels, 69. And over here, I see some readings. The maximum load capacity is 300 kilos. And you should always face inside, not the other way around for safety. So this is the laser measurement I have. So measuring from here to the ground, you see the laser dot right there, 1.4 meters. And from the pillar to the pillar. All right, laser point right there, right? 1.4. What? Look at that. It's almost identical down to 1,000th. The height and width, it's almost a square. Drop it down from there to there. It's gonna be wider for sure because we measured it from the pillar, right? 1.59. Just because I wanna give you the height of the seat. Ceiling to the middle, 0.98. The armrest to armrest, 1.381. One more important thing, from the door to door, so measuring right there, from there, 0.926 meters. Another pillar to the pillar, 1.402. And you see it's measuring from the bottom of the measurement, so that length is actually included. So this is precisely the measurement I'm giving you. And this hump, just because, 0.242 meters high. Back of this seat to the thigh support, that is 1.274. I'm pointing it towards the back support now from here, 1.72. What else am I missing? I gave you this width. I'll give you this portion where it's sticking out due to the design because it's carved inside underneath and one on the top. But this is actually critical, I guess. So from here to there, 0.812. We'll see how accurate this guy is. Look at that. So they're testing the car to the maximum. Look at that. So we're supposed to get the same measurements, right? 0.812. So from here to where it's sticking out, 0.811. So that's the accuracy we are talking about, people. I'm not sure if I gave you this, but I don't want to miss a thing. So from there to the floor panel, 1.331. Same thing from the roof ceiling to the floor, 1.391. So it's slightly higher inside. I mean, we can see that it's carved inside. So measured it from that pillar right there to here, and that is 1.792. All right, so I think it's time for the trunk. So from here to the ground, it's too bright out. I'm just gonna measure a few times. Yeah, 1.9 is what I have. From the pillar to pillar, 1.32. And the height you get here to the bottom of the trunk compartment, 1.136. This part that's sticking out, this is going to be the narrowest length of the trunk inside, 1.197. And lastly, let's also do the diagonal just because. So from here to there, 1.656. All right, so I think that is going to be it for the PB5 Wave model. Let's go check out the open bed. Now I gotta put this guy back up.